Oh, he's good. Sloths are the most adorable animals in the world.
And he's still alive.
Welcome to day 2 of Costa Rica adventure. We had a bit of an issue with the monkeys. We have a treehouse here. It turns out that the monkeys like the treehouse. Okay, they're a little crazy. And this morning, they all came and they kind of wanted to steal Claire's teddy bear. You know, Teddy the teddy bear that we made a video on. So then after that, they all ran down, and then when they came back, the monkeys started getting pretty aggressive. Like one of them even broke a stick in half and had a stick.
There was 4 up there on that roof, and all of a sudden we heard this big rip and a huge chunk. Here, it's right here. Off the wall. Yeah, that came off the wall.
And you weren't afraid at all? You didn't even run away?
No, I ran away.
He ran
Of course
down
I was
because
scared. They were burying your teeth.
Yeah.
They're like...
They showed their teeth?
I think there was 11 monkeys. They were just all in a group. We were just so shocked.
Our house is not entirely clean. We are on vacation. It's been a few days and we're running out of time. The sun is going down, so we thought let's give you a brief tour of our place because it's pretty cool and we want to have memory of the place that we stayed at. This is our pool right here. Another slide. The hammock area over there. Really, really nice grill if you want to grill some meats.
The natural skylight in the bathroom.
Casa Colibri. That's the name of our place. And in order to get in, we have this giant gate because everything is protected. So you have a garage door opener that they give you. Kai and London are going to be our tour guides.
So this is one of the 3 houses that are on the property.
One here, the tree house over here, our other house, and then a 3rd house. Which one should we tour first?
That one. This one.
Okay, here we go. This house is the first guest house. It has a sloth on the door. And it's pretty dark in here right now, but you have a little bit of a kitchenette, a full-on refrigerator, a messy bed over here. If we had the blinds open, you can see out the window, it's really pretty. So you have plenty of storage in here. You can store all of your things, and the air conditioning works really, really well. The ceiling goes all the way to the top. Inside of the bathroom is a nice tall shower with my wet swimsuit on there. Let's go and walk over and show the pool. How do we get to the pool? This is our pool guy right here.
Hello, my name is Pablo. I give you towels, I make you warm, everything. I rub your feet, todo bien. Pura vida.
Yep, thank you, Chris. And then this is our pool right here, super fancy. A full-on sink, this cabana ooh la la with some fans. Now, this is London's favorite part of the tour. Show us the treehouse.
If you go up there and walk around there, there's this big, like, you can like walk around and see a lot of stuff.
So this is the house up top, and we've got the bucket that goes down here, a little slide, another slide, the hammock area over there. The ocean is out that way. It's kind of hard to see because the sun is setting, but then this is all jungle out here. This is a real tree house. Look at that, there's a giant section of the tree here.
If you come over here, there's a little window. You just pull this. Then what's really fun to do is...
Nice. Oh, that's scary. Okay, let's get out of here. It's quite elaborate, and the tricky thing is the monkeys love to come here and play on the hammocks and mess around with things. And they love to tear off the asphalt shingles and then throw them at you. Oh, he's good. This would be the other little guest house. And this is what Kai and Lincoln have claimed as their house.
Hello?
Oh, so Lincoln's been sleeping over there. You can see all this stuff on the ground.
Has a little balcony that looks into trees.
And your nice bathroom
We
with
have
the
a bathroom.
fancy shower head in there. And the only thing that is bad about this place is they have really, really ugly blankets.
Oh.
Check that out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Throw it in Lincoln's bed.
Oh, I actually should.
He's gonna be so mad.
Oh, it's good.
We have these giant windows that look out. And we have really weird people on the couch.
What'd you say? A really weird...
really weird sunburned people.
Oh, look at this. Lincoln's watching golf over here. Good job, buddy. Here is our dining area. We have some nice chairs right here with windows. When it's good temperature, you can open these up, and that's nice. Here's the kitchen. And look outside. Really, really nice grill if you want to grill some meats. Big refrigerator with all the essentials. Guacamole, yogurt, milk, and orange drink stuff. What else do you need? This is the bathroom right here.
Hi.
Leslie's in it. Ta-da! That's what she's been waiting in there the whole time to show us.
No, I haven't.
Look at the bathroom. Hey pool guy, can you do the financial tour and do your bedroom? So this room over here is Chris and Nalia's room.
Only because,
There you go.
well, I'll show you why. So we offered it up to Dan and Leslie, but immediately they noticed the big hole in the ceiling. And they said, oh, we would love for you guys to have the natural skylight in the bathroom, which is pretty nice. But this is where all the lizards and monkeys and crabs and sloths and alligators and giraffes come into the house. But it's actually pretty nice. King size bed, go Braves. Plenty of storage, but the view is lovely. Lovely view. Somewhere out there beyond the sun are monkeys and oceans and treasures untold.
I gotta say this quietly because the security guard's behind me, but we're gonna leave the kids here all alone while we go to dinner. So that's the plan. Chris is talking to him in Spanish to make him our friend so he doesn't kidnap our kids. Nalia says this is the best place to eat in all of Costa Rica.
Bring you to Costa Rica and you want pork sandwiches 3 times, not once, but 3.
So the problem is they have a wood fire stove that makes pizza, and they have these really good barbecue pork sandwiches. And we've come here twice and it's been really good, and so I convinced everybody to come back here another night, and the kids like the pizza, so we're gonna take them pizza. One of the main takeaways from Costa Rica that I have is that sloths are the most adorable animals in the world. They have like this natural little smile on their face. They move so slow. They're all furry, and they just hang out in the trees. Look at this little guy, he's just chilling.
They just saw this one across the street, and some of the guys from the restaurant saw it trying to cross, so they ran over and picked it up so it wouldn't get hit and brought it over to the tree, so that's why it's sitting so low.
Leslie, thoughts on the sloth?
It's so much cuter when it's tinier. The big ones are adorable, but that's a different level. It literally, you can't probably tell, but it's like this big. You could hold it and like just hold it and stuff.
All right, this is the what remains of my mango smoothie, and this is the pulled pork sandwich. It looks really gross on camera, but it is really good. And then I convinced these guys to get the pulled pork. I hope you like it.
4 days, all I've heard about is sloths and pulled pork sandwiches.
And we get both here. Okay, this is Nutella and banana.
Marshmallow.
Okay, marshmallow. All right, give it a try.
All right, let's see how this baby tastes. Dang.
Leslie's not a big dessert fan.
I do like dessert. I just don't like bananas or marshmallows.
Try it, try it.
But
try
Nutella.
It. How about 1 bite? The 1 bite rule.
I don't like it.
1 bite rule.
Not a Lincoln bite.
Not a Lincoln bite.
Now is where London gets it.
No.
1 to 10. How do you rate it? 1 to 10.
I would never order it.
Oh.
I ate your banana. Sorry, honey.
Tastes way better with bananas.
Yeah.
It really is like a s'mores to the next level. Yes.
Okay.
I would do this again. Costa Rican food reviews. Come to El Wagon near Manuel Antonio. Get the barbecue sandwich and get the Nutella, whatever. If you come to Costa Rica, there's probably better food. I just don't know. But hey, I'm happy with this. Look at this. Look what Leslie has. She stole this many pizzas from the grill. She is hungry.
So hungry.
Tonight was a bit interesting. Chris, our friend, got stung by a scorpion.
Yeah,
we captured the little guy. Chris went to bed and is asleep, so hopefully he survives and they're not too poisonous or venomous here. Makes me think twice before checking in the sheets of my bed. And wanted to tell you guys about that. Here's a little clip of the scorpion. It actually stung Chris. Look at that guy. And he's still alive. I mean, look at that.
He was even stepped on.
We smashed him, but I think we just bent his tail. I hope you enjoyed our day. Tomorrow, we should be going fishing in the mangrove forest. It's like a swampland. I don't really know, but it sounds really cool. So get ready for tomorrow. Thanks for watching today. Let me know what questions you have about Costa Rica. Now I feel like I'm an expert after 3 days. See ya.
You're like